Hi guys, from India. Shout out to all India viewers from my YouTube channel. This is for you guys. Well, we have 3 moves, and the answer is 292. Okay guys, let's do the first move guys. Here we go. Second move guys. And the last move guys. Thank you guys. See you next time.